Let's do the inner thigh press. So for that exercise, you'll lie back down to the floor. Start with your posture. Shoulders are back and down. Rib cage is in, right? Our pubic bone is parallel to the floor with our pelvis. And from there, the legs go up. Now, once the legs go up, the key is never to change this posture of your pelvis. So if you feel like your tailbone is going up, maybe you need to keep your knees a little bit bent. But if you feel that you can hold your pelvis exactly where it's at with the legs up, then your legs will go up from there. Now flex your feet and turn your toes out. If you can keep your legs extended, I want you to think about this. I know it sounds strange, but bear with me. If you had a hot bowl of soup on your feet, now plie in the sense that you're going to bring your knees towards your shoulders without dropping the soup. So that means you can't drop your feet, they have to stay up. And then press right back up again, pulling through the inner thighs. Knees come towards the shoulders and the legs go up. And towards the shoulders and up, always keeping your pelvis in its exact perfect posture, and then press through, taking your time. Inhale one way, exhale the other. And double checking your postural points from your shoulders, your rib cage, and into your pubic bone. One more time. And release. And that was an inner thigh press.